Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, guys, it's Sunday, it's family day today. So we're taking the two little one, our kids, to the beach. So let's go, guys. Ayan. So there's a lot of people. Let's see. Come here, we go Ate over there. Ate with Daddy. And so here, beach. It's good for the kids only. Hindi siya masyadong, it's not deep water. Pag nandito lang. Then here, the side is the playground. Oh, diba? Ganda. Yeah, go. My husband is getting ready for the. Why? You messed up the. Okay, take off your shoe. Take off your shoe. Oh, what happened? Oh no. Okay, Jasper, put your slippers there. Okay, that's fine. Careful, don't go too far. Here's your blue one. Oh no, I forgot your towel. Now we have clothes. Yung mga bata. Ayan, no? They're playing the water. Having so much fun. Ayan, we brought our food. Kakain muna kami. Ayan lang. Ganyan lang sa amin, guys. Diba? Hi, Kai.
Hi.
You like water, huh? You're playing with the sun. Huh? Oh no, the kid. What did you get? Watch that.
It's this one here.
Yummy. Ano yan? Ano? Salami?
Pastrami.
Pastrami. Then mine is, okay, I'll eat mine later.
I just shot another jellyfish. Help me.
Alright, kain muna kami, guys, kasi nagutom ako to go eat. Ayun. May umiiyak dito, guys. Mga bata. Ayan, kain muna kami, guys. Ito, I have the, egg sandwich. Yeah. Then, of course, we have a chips, Nova. Ang laki naman. Oh, this is the one that you,
No, that's different.
Why?
That's meat.
Why I have no bread, it's just lettuce.
Maybe you should lettuce wrap.
No, I didn't order lettuce wrap. Mine is, but that's okay. This is so healthy. Yeah. That's good. And then this is yours. Oh, I'll try yours then. Yummy. Mine is so healthy. All lettuce. There's no bread. Bread, and then it has, egg, and then all the veggie here, guys. So. doing, little boy? Ew. Go in the water. Go in the water. Ay, ay. Baby's playing. I'm not going swimming, guys. We're just here for the kids. I want them to enjoy their weekends. Kaya dito kami, family bonding. Ang lamig, guys. It's windy, and then the same time it's sunny. So, ayan. Uy, what's going on? Oh no! Go get it! Get it! Yee! You get scared in the water sometimes. Careful, baby! Ati's playing. Hey.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we just changed the kids. Now it's playtime. Dito muna sa playground until we go home. Ay, nakabihis na sila. Ayan, Jasper there. And Scarlett is, and then sa slides. Hi, boy. Hi, Jasper.